downhill from here, Noah. You get to have fruit and lemons. Pears, apples, bananas, strawberries. There's a whole world out there. There's a whole world of food out there. Yeah.
You want to try some more? I'm going to overdo it the first day.
Let's see. Maybe one last bite. You ready? Oh, good, Noah. That's very good. What do you think about that one? Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.
Yummy.
You did good. How are you looking at it? You want to see it? A bowl and a spoon. Look at Henry. He's looking around you. What do you think, Henry? What do you think? Is it silly? You and Noah both ate out of a bowl and a spoon today. One more bite?
Henry, is Noah doing good?
Can I do one more? Are you all done? One more bite? It's very good, Noah. Yeah. You can spit it out if you want. It's okay. Is it weird? It's totally weird.
Good job.
That's really good. That can be enough. See how your body